everyone. In this video, we'll be solving this question, cos square pi over 4 sin x plus root 2 cos square x minus tan square x plus pi by 4 tan square x is equal to 1. Then find the value of sin x. Now, mind you, this is a J level question. I'm not sure if it is J mains or advanced, but it can come in both of them. It's a very good question, but it's a simple one. I'm telling you, we will not be using any addition or subtraction formulas or trigonometric addition or subtraction formulas. It's just basic 10th grade. It's not basic, well, we will be using a 10th grade identity. So let's start by assuming this angle, actually, it's this entire thing to be theta and this entire thing to be alpha. So we can proceed like this: cos square theta minus tan square alpha is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square alpha. Now, excuse me if you pronounce it as theta. I'm just used to calling it theta. Cos square theta plus sec square alpha. Why? Because 1 plus tan square 1 plus tan square x is sec square x. So that is what the identity we use. Then we have cos square theta is equal to sec square alpha. I just rewrote this. Now, I want you to realize what is the minimum value of x, cos square theta. It is 0 is greater than or equal to, sorry, 0 is less than or equal to cos square theta is 1. And for the sec square, it is, if I'm not wrong, this. If you look at the graphs of cos square and sec square, cos square always lies between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1, and sec square always lies between 1 and infinity, including 1. So the only way these two can be equal is when both of them are equal to 1, right? So let's just write that. We'll be using case number 1 when um, cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square, this is possible when theta is equal to, let me just write theta from here, um, pi over 4 sine x plus root 2 cos square x um, is equal to n pi. This is only possible when the angle is equal to this. So we can cancel pi from both the sides and we get sine x plus root 2 cos squared x is equal to 4n. Now, if you see one thing, the range of this is sine x is -1. Um, I wrote a little bit wrong. Yeah, this is the range of sine x, and this can be it's, I guess, yeah, it's 0 greater than cos square and 1. So in any case, at any value of sin x and cos x or cos square x, this can never be equal to 4n because that's too great, that's too large. So the only possible value of n where this is possible is sin x plus root 2 cos square x is equal to 0. Okay, because 4 is too large, so we put n is equal to 0. That's the only possible value. Now, to make this a quadratic equation of sine, we will write cos square x as 1 minus sine square x equals 0. Just open the brackets now. Root 2 minus root 2 sine square x is equal to 0. I'll multiply by my negative 1 on both the sides, and I'll end up getting minus sine x minus root 2 is equal to 0. I hope this is correct. So if we are to factor this into its factors, two factors, then it would be it's root 2 and root 2, it's 2, and it's negative 2. So it's root 2 sine squared x minus, I guess it's minus 2 sine x plus sine x. Yeah, I guess this works. Root 2 sine x and sine x minus root 2. I hope this is correct. Yes, it is. Plus 1. Sin x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Sin x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Then we can factor it like this. Root 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now when we look at this solution, we will get sin x is equal to root 2. That is not possible because root 2 is greater than 1 and the maximum value of sine is it is 1. Let me write it over here. So this we discard this. This is incorrect. So we'll work with this. So we get sin x is equal to minus 1 over root 2. And that's what the question asked us for. And we have calculated sin x to be minus 1 root 2. Hence solved. So it was a pretty easy question, honestly. Hope you understood it. And if you have any doubts, just leave them in the comment section or join my Discord server.